How to delete your YouTube account. First of all, head over to your application YouTube. Make sure you are logged into your account that you want to delete. Tap on your profile at the top right corner. Head over to your channel. Now tap on this three dot at the top right corner. Tap on Help and Feedback. It will land you on this interface. Right here in the search bar, search for Delete YouTube Channel. Head over to the very first option. Scroll down and tap on Delete your channel permanently. Once again, scroll down and tap on YouTube Studio. It will open up your account on YouTube channel. Now at the bottom left corner, you'll find the gear icon. Tap on it. Head over to Channel. Now right here, move into Advanced Settings. Scroll down and tap on Remove YouTube Content. Enter the password of your YouTube account. Once you are done, tap on Next. You will land on this page. Tap on I want to permanently delete my content. Now you can scroll down and tap on both of these checkbox. Once you are done, you can simply tap on Delete my content and your YouTube channel will be successfully deleted. So that's it, and this is how you can delete your YouTube account. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.